So I'm about to give you the full experience on how this card works. Right? How this card works. So you should get yourself a cryptocurrency card. Right? To the link once you register for the app. Right? I am owing $2 and something for some reason because I had some Google transaction, the amount of payments I had going through this thing here. So I decide to top up. So right, so we're gonna deposit US crypto. Let's look for let's look for crypto payments right here. Tron, right? So we're gonna do Tron TRC20. We're gonna copy this address here. Right, so we're gonna copy this address. We're gonna go to our broker. So I'm logging into my broker. We're gonna hit withdraw. Right, once we hit draw, we are going to go to the Tron TRC20. Once we there, we're gonna hit some. Right, so you're gonna see in my crypto wallet, I just sent $90 to my crypto wallet from my broker. So I'm gonna do a withdrawal. Oh shit, sorry. I have to come back one. Right, so I have 90 TRC20 in the TRC20. We're gonna hit withdraw and we're gonna send it to my crypto card, and that would be here. So we're sending $90 to my card. Paste the wallet address. Paste in the wallet address. Send. Confirm. Text. Alright, it's gonna send a text. Alright, bam shot. It's in my card. It's going to be in my card in a few minutes. Alright, so you should see the funds coming in my card. Payments successful. $90 was deposited to my card. Right, so I have $90 there. That's 90 US. Right, so I'm gonna come into the and I have $87 on some because other payments was declining that I had. I had some payments that was really declining, and they decide to charge me like a little $2 on something interest for not having money on the thing. So this is my balance in USDT crypto, and we are going to buy something with this card on my phone using tap to pay. Right, so I have an Android phone, so I will be using the tap to pay. This is the card right here, so I'll just be tapping to pay and the transaction will be smooth. All right, so come with me on my little adventure journey. Today I am going to buy something with my it's not scroll. Let me just make sure this thing connect in here. I need light. Okay. I need light. Okay, good. Right, so face tracking on. Right, so face tracking is on. For some reason, I ain't used this thing a long time, so it seems like it a little bend, but that's okay. Okay, right, cool. Right. Okay, so come with me on my journey. I am going to buy something to eat. I'm hungry, so I'm just going for a little drive. I'm just going for a little drive to get something to eat. Right, so I'm gonna get something to eat. So guys, how are you doing? This was just a little video I had for a while, so I just decided to finish it, complete it, and post it, so to show you that you can get yourself one of those cards. It's really nice, especially if you are trading Forex with no hesitation. You are able to withdraw your money and spend it with the broker that I trade with in less than 5 minutes. The transaction is completed in minutes, less than 5 minutes. I get my money from my broker in like minutes, like maybe 3 minutes, 2 minutes. Sometimes it all depends on my internet speed, and it goes straight to the card in minutes. So the whole transaction was like 3 to 5 minutes average. So once that transaction complete from the withdrawal process from the broker to the card, I am able to spend with no hesitation. Once you have that money, you could obviously spend. So I do hope that you like this video and that you see a bit of encouragement and motivation so that you can continue trading. Right, so I'm gonna just put the camera so, and I end up just sticking and trading with Exness. So that's how I have been there for that period of time. So we are going to Churches today. I'm gonna get some tender strips. Today is Tuesday, so they have the tender strip special. So I'm just gonna get that. Tender strip special. Hi, good night. You have spicy tender strip?
Sorry?
Tender strip.
Yes, we have it. Classic or spicy?
Spicy and upsize it for me.
Only classic we have right now, sorry.
Alright, no problem. Well, upsize it for me, right?
Upsize?
Yeah.
Hi.
Yeah, upsize it.
And today's special upsize price PSI?
Yeah, that's right.
Will that be it?
Yeah, that's it.
What flavor drink you have?
Yeah, Mountain Dew?
Yes, we do.
Okay.
37 is the total, right? So push it to the main.
Yeah. I'm gonna tap the pay. Tap the pay.
You want to scan?
Yeah.
You want to scan? Yeah.
What do you read out for the card? You
Oh,
tap the
to
pay.
tap.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
Yo, we are spicy.
Alright, thank you. We just go in eat. Right, so we are in the card. Let's refresh. We are $82. I spent like five something. Right, you could see churches penal at $37. So for the amount they took $5.62 USDT crypto. Yeah, so that is basically it for that transaction.